So apparently uSims was one of the people that were, according to Lerato, aba expose Umyeni kaLerato. But I've been following uSims. I never saw any picture of Umyeni kaLerato from a channel kaSims. Instead, uSims was the one obesithi abantu they must stop what they're doing, blah blah blah, and all of that. But uLerato sana uyibone is the right thing to do namagqwetha akhe ukuthi bangenzi any thorough check before bathumelela abantu. So uSims was the lucky one to get a letter of demand to take down the video where how njani ingekho. Hayi ke papa akalibonanga uLerato elidlalayo rha wamcumza uSims. Nathi sathukwa apho khasifumane no good day today khange sifumane nobana ndiyamkela nix. She was fed up. Ekugqibeleni une-facts because you cannot be sending a final demand to people ungayenzanga i-research yakho. I-final demand and also une-point uSims ukubana xa ungafuni izinto zakho zibe out there faka i-copyright even on the normal pictures. You understand? Because we still have a right to share pictures zakho noba sizicela for as long as they're available to social media. And also guys, uSims kuzo zonke as gossip channel ezikhoyo, like I remember she was one of the people ababe kunye noNdivuthi Owami and all of that. uSims was the always lenient one. uSims unenhliziyo. uSims that's one thing that I've noticed about uSims akathethi ngento anyana iqonda ukuthi yazi le ibhlungu. I'm not like I've been following uSims like usekundivuthi. Yeah, uNdivuthi sana was the one who wayithetha into I commented the way she feels. uSims unalandi yobuntu. I'm not saying uNdivuthi akanayo, but she was different from Abo Owami and uNdivuthi. We understand? Because and also it took uSims long to grow because she was more abantu bafuna abantu aba-ruthless abangenaxesha le-feelings abanye abantu. But she's been the one that has be considerate in whatever that she was doing uSims. So uLerato nyana angadlaleli kuSims wethu asincede please. Angadlaleli kuSims. If ever uSims ebeyiposte la video then besingazoba lapha sibe sisithi hayi Lerato. But at this point in time uLerato namagqwetha akhe ba wrong. Le final demand izawunika umuntu wonke. Hey, see again, guys, please. And I saw a comment of one of the management saying, if you need any legal help, I hear Nakomba, Ashapa, because why Lerato? Yekalendo yakho sis, yekalendo yakho. And if ever ufuna life wakho social media, so fuck. Le nto yakho sumanifeza inyawo fezi into abantu bazayiGoogle abantu. Iphuma nawe kule nto ofaka abantu bakho. Umfakela nto lo mfana wakho. Unfortunately, xa ungena social media funeka uyazi i-pros and cons, because hana abantu bazakugugula sisi. Apha abantu begugula abantu abakhulu babuye nezitori zabantu abakhulu ucinga fana wena ngenxa iba uyi-social media influencer ucinga fana uba uzokoyikwa. Apha kuguglisha noRamram uyayazi uba abantu bayamgugula bathi gqa bathi une-ideas.